The Monotrac radius quad. With laboratory technique ever-changing, our best efforts and methods evolve. Monotrac has evolved with more capabilities, options, accuracy, and efficiency than any other model system. This system-integrated articulator, with exclusive internal die retained model base, provides a pinless, single-pour, cast-in-place setup that is fast, accurate, and simple. The Monotrac radius quad setup will demonstrate a 3-unit posterior free end bridge with Monotrac plug-in adjustable vertical stops to maintain solid vertical position. Step 1. The impression is trimmed flat and parallel to the occlusal plane to fit within the vertical dimensions of the articulator for straight, parallel setup. Monotrac impression trimmers are helpful in creating a straight, square alignment and setup. Step 2. Align the quad base over the die side of the impression in centered position and trace indicator lines with a Sharpie pen. This will guide our alignment to the base over the impression during the pour-up. A Monotrac window base is a helpful alignment tool to trace guidelines. You can easily see the centered position. Make a set of windows yourself or order a set from Monotrac. Step 3. Mix the die stone to the manufacturer's required specifications. Always pour the die side of the impression first to prevent distortion introduced from the expansion properties of the opposing pour. Pour the impression leaving a convex bead just above full. Do not overfill to minimize cleanup and grinding. The silicone speed pour cup gives you more control and is helpful in forming the convex bead. Pour the base to full. Align the tray over the impression to the markings and allow to set. Step 4. After the stone has set, attach and snap on the flex arm hinge member to the base tray. Now pour the opposing side of the impression with a convex bead and the base tray up to full. The Monotrac speed pour cup is used for a faster pour with more control and less mess versus using a spatula. Now engage the hinge and close it over. Let set. Step 5. After the opposing stone has set up, remove the impression, peel off the tear-away walls. Excess flash can easily be removed with the Monotrac trimmers. Step 6. Scrape and burnish the small tear tags at parting lines between the model and the base to make it smooth. If required, mark and ID the models to their bases with a case number or color coding to ensure that the models are returned to their respective bases. Step 7. The die side of the model is now removed from the base by grasping the model and tapping the tray to remove it. Tap the distal block and a glancing tap at the forward end of the base. Try to achieve an even liftoff from the base. Step 8. Dissection. If you choose to dissection with a motorized diamond disc, such as a handpiece disc or the Monotrac die cutter, it is important to pre-dry the model in the dehydrator to make dust and debris removal fast and efficient. Cut and then air blast dust away while the model is still warm. This will ensure a precise fit back onto the base and will also avoid time-consuming steam cleaning procedures. Dies should have a slight stick effect when reseated to its base. If you are experiencing loose dies that tend to fall off the base, the cause is most likely fine dust debris left behind in the cone holes, preventing a full seat. The model can be sectioned with your preference of handsaw, handpiece disc, lathe, as shown here, the Monotrac die cutter and processing station, or a combination of methods. Step 9. Because this case is an unsupported free end bridge, it will require a Monotrac plug-in adjustable vertical stop. Insert the stop plugs into the half-moon hollow pockets at the distal of both bases. Then place the adjustment screw into one of the stop plugs. Adjust the screw to the desired vertical stop position. The vertical plug-in stop, the tearaway base former, the internal retained die matrix, and the flex arm hinge are all features exclusive to Monotrac.